Newton's law of motion. The first law of motion is inertia. An object is at a state of inertia when it is at rest and no external force is being applied to it. Second law of motion, acceleration. Acceleration is when an external force is applied to a object at rest or an object at the state of inertia. And the external object successfully moves the object at the state of inertia. Third law of motion, interaction. When two objects collide, um, both objects have equal and opposite reaction.
Newton's three laws of motion, there is the law of inertia, law of acceleration, and law of interaction. In the law of acceleration, it states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon an outside force. In the and next is the law of acceleration. The law of acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass, and the greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. The third law is the law of interaction. It states that for every action there is an opposite or equal reaction. There are also formulas in solving the laws. Thank you.
In application to life, the lessons about laws of motion teaches us that, first, we should not let external forces disrupt us in pushing ourselves towards God. Second, even if we have heavy burdens in life, we should remember that we still need to push through. It is not helpful if we are going to stop. The force of our intellect and morality will lead us towards our ultimate goal in life, which is to be happy. And finally, we are the masters of our action. What happens to us is because of us and only because of us. Therefore, we must not do unto others what we don't want others to do unto us.
Since we already know the definitions and concepts of these laws, let's go beyond the contextual part and proceed to the lessons it teaches us. Each one of us has his or her own set of goals. That's why, in order for us to achieve these, we must take action and do something instead of sitting pretty and doing nothing. Therefore, to get to our goals, we have to exert effort, for these efforts would greatly affect the outcome of our work.